How to monetize Instagram Reels, make money with Instagram Reels. Now, before we dig into the tutorial, I just wanted to let you know that this kind of feature is only limited to a certain or a selected countries or region. Like mine, I'm currently located in the Philippines, so let's try if that feature works on my region. So let's just access the Instagram application. From here, you'll just have to go to your profile and then just tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then go ahead to settings and privacy. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to know creator tools and options. Now, you can see it's not actually available on my end, and we'll just directly search it from here. So that's creator tools. So as you can see, it's not actually visible on my end because this feature is not available or this is not operating on my country. So once you go back and you'll be able to see creator tools and options, you'll just have to press on that and then there will be an option there that says business. Once you tap business, you'll be able to know if you are qualified for being monetized for Reels or you will be qualified to make money out of your Reels views. So you'll just have to set up your payment methods and how you will get paid. So you will be automatically um, provided with requirements on for you to be able to get monetized on Instagram Reels. So that's how you will get monetized on Instagram Reels and make money with Instagram Reels as well.